So there was an article in one of the newspapers that said that DDMA, this is Disaster Management Authority in the district, has declared PS Sangma Stadium as unsafe. This particular statement that came out in one of the newspapers is completely incorrect and completely misinterpreted. And again, I urge the press fraternity to please do their research properly before coming out with such statements which completely mislead the people. The fact of the matter is very simple, that as you're aware, the PS Sangma Stadium had three corners which were part of the, for the football stadium, which were part of the initial first phase of construction. The west stand was a stand where earlier the construction had taken place before we started the project, and there was a retaining wall there that was present out there. If you remember, that retaining wall collapsed. Again, this was partly done long time back. This was not part of the PS Sangma Stadium's new project construction. Hence, once the retaining wall fell, we then decided to take it up under the state government. So about 45 crores has been sanctioned for it. We have gone ahead with the tendering and work has been allotted and work will start soon. Now in that whole process, we do require some land from the Coal India, because Coal India is right behind it, where BSF is there right now. That property is required, some part of the property is required because we need to extend the west stand. At the same time, we need a road also that will lead to some of the localities that are staying below. Hundreds of houses are there. So keeping all of that in mind, we need that extra space. And therefore, the DDMA had written to Coal India saying that kindly give that space, because this entire structure is unsafe from the point of view that if we continue like this, for Coal India point of view and other point of view, that west stand area needs to be constructed immediately. So it's a letter that is directed to Coal India to give them the seriousness of why we need the land from them. It is not a statement that is talking about the unsafety of the whole stadium and the construction as a whole, but from a specific point of view of allowing Coal India to give that space for the construction so that we can do the west stand. So therefore it's been completely misinterpreted, and I thought it's appropriate that we clarify that, and we will send a statement also from the sports department